V-TUF are pleased to announce that the new V-TUF Mini is now in stock and ready for fast delivery. The V-TUF Mini has great features and performance. It has been designed for trade and DIY use. Many tradesmen and homeowners expose themselves to harmful dust by not using the right vacuum cleaner. Many of us have wrecked our expensive domestic vacuum cleaners on DIY projects, cleaning out our pizza ovens, barbecues, wood burners and even the car. The new V-TUF Mini has great performance and has been designed to protect your health, your living space and your domestic household vacuum cleaner. The new V-TUF Mini now comes in eco-friendly packaging. It now has steel front casters featuring a nylon wheel and a steel bearing swivel. The main cable storage handle has been toughened to withstand the rigours of trade and DIY use. The new V-TUF Mini now comes with 3 additional accessories with a combined value of £30. This includes a large volume long reach crevice tool, a handy round brush and a superior quality upholstery tool with a removable bristle. These greatly enhance the versatility of the new Mini and are great for cleaning skirting boards, windowsills, ventilation, vehicles, etc. One of the great features of the Mini is the recoil extraction hose. The new recoil extraction hose now extends to 6 meters. This recoil function greatly reduces trip and tangle frustration and makes transport and storage easy. The V-TUF Mini hose is also anti-crush and anti-kink. The V-TUF Mini now comes with 5 15-litre dust collection bags. These ensure the safe collection and disposal of harmful dust before it gets into your breathing space. So the V-TUF Mini has just got tougher, more user-friendly, more eco-friendly, more versatile. It has a longer reach and a greater capacity. Treat yourself or someone you love to the all-new V-TUF Mini. Thanks for watching.